Hello, everyone. Welcome to Easy English Day 11. Today, you will learn one of the most important grammar topics in English prepositions in, on, and at. By the end of this lesson, you will know how to use them correctly for time and place. Let's begin. Prepositions are small but powerful words. They show the relationship between a noun or pronoun and another word in the sentence. They usually tell us about time, place, and direction. Let's understand the most common rule. Use AT for exact time. Use on for days and dates. Use in for months, years, and long periods. Easy trick to remember: 8 exact, on day, date, in long time. Now let's learn place. Use in for inside something. Use on for a surface. Use AT for a specific point or location. Simple memory tip: in, inside, on, surface, at, point. Many learners make small mistakes. Don't say interested for, say interested in. Don't say depend of, say depend on. Don't say married with, say married to. Remember, learn full phrases, not only single prepositions. Let's test you. Fill in the blank. I will see you watch your Monday. Correct answer: on Monday. She is waiting what's at the bus stop. Correct answer: at the bus stop. My birthday is like out March. Correct answer: in March. Great job. Today you learned what prepositions are, how to use in, on, and at, rules for time and place, and common mistakes to avoid. Practice these daily, and your English will become clear, natural, and confident. Tomorrow is day 12, where you will learn prepositions of direction. Subscribe now and continue your complete English course in 28 days. See you in the next lesson.